In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Ria Online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Ria application like you normally would. You can install the Ria app completely for free on the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, or on the App Store if you're on an iOS device. Now, another thing you also need to do is, and by the way, you can do this both on the Ria application or, of course, on the Ria website. Both processes are going to get the job done and you should be good to go. Now, the next order of business is you want to go ahead and press over here where it says login. From here, you will need to enter in your country code along with your phone number. So please enter that in, and then it is going to ask you to enter in your password. So you want to go ahead and enter it in, but if you don't know what your password is for whatever reason, don't stress out. You want to go ahead and select forgot password. Then you need to enter the email or the phone number that you sign in with, and then they're going to send you a code to reset your password. So if you're in a situation where you forgot your password, you don't need to stress out because you're able to go ahead and use these tools in order to actually change your password and recover your account. So let me go ahead and input my password, and I'll be right back with you guys once I went ahead and signed in. Alright guys, and then here I am. I officially signed in, and then I'm ready to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.